write the recurring decimal 0.25 as a fraction. First we let that this number is x. The dot over here, it means that 5 is recurring. The recurring portion is over here. This is the recurring portion. The first step is we have to bring this decimal before this recurring portion. Before this recurring portion, that is, we will bring this decimal over here first. So for that we have to multiply 10 on both sides. So it will become 2.555. The next step is we have to bring this decimal one step ahead of recurring portion. This is the recurring portion. The 5 is recurring digit. So we have to bring one step, this decimal one step ahead of this, where the recurring is started. So for that again, we have to multiply 10 again. So it will become 100x now. So 25.5555. The next we have to subtract this second step from the last one. So 100 minus 10, it is 90x. Then we subtract this to the whole number from this 25, which is 23, and this portion will be vanished. When you subtract this portion will be vanished. Now x is 23 over 90. So this is our final answer. You can verify your answer from the calculator. Look at here, 0.25555. This 6 is because there is no space available on the right side of the calculator. So calculator has rounded up this digit. So this is rounding because of the rounding. Otherwise it is 5. Write the recurring decimal 0.63 as a fraction in its lowest term. You must show all your working. The first step is we have to let that this number is equal to x. Here 6, 3, both are recurring digits. So 6, 3, 6, 3, 6, 3, 6, 3, and so on. So this is the recurring portion. This is the recurring portion. The step is we have to bring this decimal in front of one recurring portion over here. Because 6, 3 both are repeating, so we will bring this decimal over here. So for that we have to multiply this by 100 on both sides. So this is 63 point. There are so many 6363 on the right side of the decimal. Okay, so now what we will do, we will subtract this from this. So it will be 99x, and we subtract this 0 from 63, which is 63, and this decimal portion will vanish after subtraction. So the x is 63 over 99. So after simplification, it is 7 over 11. So this is 7 over 11 after simplification in its lowest term. So let's check this. Yeah, it is correct, 0.636363. And this 4, which is actually 3, it is because it is rounded up. 3, after 3 there is 6, so if you round this it will become 4. So that's why it is 4, otherwise it is 3. Write the recurring decimal 0.2 as a fraction. The first step is we will let x is equal to 0.2222 and so on, because this 2 is the recurring digit. You can observe here, this is the recurring portion. This is the recurring portion. The step first is we have to bring this decimal from the first recurring portion. So we will bring over here. For that we have to multiply by 10. There are so many 2. So bringing 1 2 on the left hand side will not affect the number of 2's on the right hand side. So now subtract this. It is 9x. Subtract this 0 from 2. It is 2. And after subtraction, this portion will be vanished, cancelled out. So x is 2 over 9. So let's check this. That's right, correct answer.